I am remembered as a terror teacher. The kind of teacher na wala gaanong nare-receive sa Teacher's Day. While others have flowers on their tables and letters of thanks, I have glances. Or mga estudyanteng nakayuko. Teacher na kapag dumaan sa koridor, nagpapasuka ng estudyante sa classroom. Kapag nagpupunta ng kantin, nagtitinginan ng mga student sabay tahimik. Ako yung teacher na hindi lumalabas ang pangalan kapag tinatanong kung sino ang favorite teacher mo. But one student see through me. Not Naomi. She saw what I was and still doing up to date. I don't want them to feel chill sa class ko. I want them to push harder. I don't just want them to listen sa klase. I want them to practice the art of preparedness. I am tough, yes, but with a purpose. Because I don't have to be their favorite teacher as long as they learn from me. Ako si Nora, ang terror teacher, and I will keep that reputation if it means my student will learn from me. This is my tough love. My love, we all have this kind of teacher. The kind of teacher na may reputation na laging kinakatakutan ng lahat. The kind of teacher that will force you to be prepared the moment you step in sa klase niya. The kind of teacher that won't say yes to just any look kapag nasa klase ka niya. You have to be at your best. Kailangan lagi kang prepared. Kailangan nagbasa ka. Kailangan handa ka sa mga pop quiz. Kailangan handa ka sa mga surprise recitation. Kailangan kapag merong kang dinidiscuss, you are not just reiterating kung ano yung nanggaling sa libro. Kailangan alam mo yan by heart. Kasi iba ang binasa sa naintindihan. These kind of teacher, normally, tama si Nora, sila yung madalas hindi nakakatanggap ng mga flowers kapag Teacher's Day kasi syempre yung mga estudyante mas malapit sila sa mga cool teachers kung tawagin nila, o di ba, yung mga nakakabiruan nila, yung mga nakakaharutan nila sa klase, yung mga teacher na nagiging advisor ng mga varsity team. Pero if there's one thing na nagustuhan ko sa sinabi ni Teacher Nora, ay yung point na I don't have to be their favorite teacher as long as they learn from me. Kasi up to this date, sa totoo lang, I can remember from elementary all those teachers na merong terror reputation for me because sila yung mga teachers na pinaka nagturo sa akin. Sila yung mga teachers na pinaka tumatak sa akin. I've learned so much from them. Because I know when I was at their class, noong mga panahon na nasa klase nila ako, that's when I am most prepared as a student. Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin, kung kayo ay may mga teachers sa school na terror, kinatatakutan, may reputation na, uy, may klase ka ba nito? Naku, terror yan. Naku, masungit yan. Enjoy those classes. Learn from that class. Endure kung ano man yung type ng pagka-terror niya. If that class is requiring you to look your best whenever you are in your class, that's because in real life, kapag may mga kausap kang mga taong merong reputasyon or merong kang interview or meron kang presentation of your own, you have to learn how to look your best. You have to have that idea na whenever you go and meet people, hindi mo lang basta-basta ipepresent yung sarili mong bahala na moment. Of course, you have to look like what you are portraying. You know what I mean? Hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na alam ko lahat ng ginagawa ko if you don't look like it. Kailangan appropriate yung suot mo sa ginagalaw mo at ginagalawan mo. So, sa klase pa lang na ganun ang manner of teaching, sa klase pa lang na ganun yung manner of paano ko ba sasabihin yung pinapatakbo yung klase in a very articulate way. Basta, kung ikaw yung teacher, tas ganun mo i-manage yung class mo, ganun mo i-run yung class mo, you are preparing your student on how to act outside of the four corners ng school. And by the end of the day talaga, kapag umabot na kayo sa ganitong edad, ako 34, pag tinanong mo ako kung sino yung mga teacher na kinatakutan ko before, terror teacher na tumatak sa isipan ko, lahat sila maniname ko. But all those teacher, I'm not trying to divide nor discriminate teachers, but I am just merely stating a fact. Pag pina-enumerate mo sa akin yung pinaka mga terror kong teacher, hindi ako papalya. Ma-enumerate ko sila isa-isa. Kasi again, sa kanila ako pinaka natuto. Because yung manner of teaching nila sa akin, again, in my opinion, para sa akin, was effective. Because I was forced to not just go to school, but be ready and prepare myself even before I go to school to take their class. That's how I was trained by these professors. Sila talaga may enumerate ko lahat kasi ganun yung naging impact nila sa akin. So para po sa mga estudyante ni Teacher Nora, you may not appreciate her manner of teaching, the way she makes you feel, the way she intimidates you whenever she walks inside the classroom. Siguro hindi nyo man ma-appreciate yung mga pop quiz niya, yung mga recitations niya na may bukod sa may enumeration, identification, meron pang pag-explain. In due time, you will understand. She is preparing you for what's about to come in real life. Kasi sa totoong buhay, hindi porket ito yung kailangan mong gawin, ito lang yung gagawin mo. Nagsasanga-sanga yan, Kabisyo. Kumbaga, meron kang kailangan gawin, but there are certain things that you have to decide whether you will do it or not. And you will think kung ano yung effective way to do it, effective way para mas mapabilis yung gawain mo, maging efficient ka sa trabaho mo. At yan ay nakukuha natin sa mga previously trained subconsciously na pagkakataon kung saan we were prepared by people like these. Na from time to time, tinetest tayo kung gaano tayo ka-prepared, kung gaano tayo ka-alert, kung gaano tayo ka-resourceful in life. So, itong tough love na to, ma-appreciate mo yan pagtanda mo. Itong mga professors na to na merong tough love, itong mga professors na to na quote-unquote terror sa mata ng madla, these are the type of professors and teachers that just want you to be the best you can potentially be. Kasi kung hindi nila idodraw yung best in you, you will fall like everybody else. Meron kayong mediocre effort when you can potentially give out the best. Claro? Claro.